Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming power and proximity. Make sure the earbuds have at least some charge and your phone or laptop is within a few meters. Once done, open the case or press the earbud pairing button to trigger pairing mode. The LED typically flashes white or blue, which tells you the earbuds are discoverable. Now, go to your device Bluetooth settings and scan. You do this because discoverable devices broadcast an identifier, so your device can find and authenticate them. You now choose the earbuds from the Bluetooth list. Pick the Bose model name exactly as it appears. If your device asks for passkey, enter 0000 or simply confirm the numeric code. This secures the link. After selecting, wait for the connection confirmation, a tone in the earbuds or a solid LED. Make sure to play a short audio clip so you verify left and right channels and volume. This checks that profiles like A2DP and HFP are active for media and calls. You finish by setting the earbuds as your default audio output and granting microphone permissions if you want calls. Make sure to check the Bose Connect or Music app for firmware updates. Updated firmware improves reliability and fixes pairing bugs. If things go wrong, reset the earbuds, usually by holding the power or pairing button for 10 to 15 seconds, then retry pairing from scratch. If that still fails, move away from crowded Bluetooth environments and try again. Interference often blocks discovery.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.